Do you want to be able to add a blog to your Shopify Dawn theme? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to do this. So what we're going to do firstly is to just head into Shopify and then log in into our Shopify account. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here. So what you're going to do firstly is to just click on online store right here and then click on themes if you're not taken to this page right here. And as you can see, I have the Dawn theme right here, which is the one that we're going to, of course, edit and add a blog to. So we're just going to click on customize right here. So click on customize, and as you can see, you should now be taken to a page similar to this, of course. And the first thing you're going to do in here is to click on home page right here. Click on home page, then click on blogs, and per default, you're going to have blogs on on your Dawn theme. Just so you know, they're always going to give you a default blog section. So you're just going to click on default blog right here, as you can see, and it says my blog here. For you, it might say like news or something like that, but it's going to be the exact same thing, just so you know, so don't worry. So on this page right here, as you can see, you should be able to see news, or yeah, for me it says my blog. If you clicked on it, by the way, just click on go back here, and then you're going to click, as you can see where it says template right here, you're going to click on add section. You're going to search for blog posts right here, as you can see. Then don't forget to click on save. So this is going to be our blog post right here. And by the way, if you don't want it to say my blog or news right here, I think you can hide it if you want to. I think it's much better to hide it actually. And then you can just see blog post right here. So this is of course nothing that we have written ourselves yet. This is just like, yeah, so that you can actually see how it's going to look. And if you want to be able to write something, you're just going to go back in here, exit it right here. I hope I saved it, by the way, but I think I did. And you're going to click on content right here, click on blog post, create a blog post. So for example, we can have this one, top 3 best cars in 2025, as just as an example. Audi, Mercedes, and Ford. Just as an example here, and click on save. So as you can see, you can also have the author name. So for example, your name, I'm just going to have test this, and you can actually select if you want to be able to show it or not, as you can see. So I'm just going to click on blog right here, and we're going to add it to my blog here. But if you have it on news, by the way, it's fine. You can have it on news as well. Just going to save it right here. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look in the search engine listing. You can actually edit this one as well. As you can see, page title, meta description, and stuff like that. But yeah, this is very, very short. Of course, if you're going to write a blog, you're going to most likely need to write a lot more than that, of course. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to keep it as simple as possible, just so you get the point. I'm just going to go back into online store here, and I'm going to click on customize. I'm going to once again click on homepage in here, click on blogs, default blog, click on this one right here, and then just click on your blog post and click on blog where it says select right here. And I'm going to click on my blog here. Let's see if it actually does something. I'm just going to save it right here. I'm just going to go back and see if this one was correct. Let's see. I'm just going to go back into my blog here. Yeah, it seems to be okay. I'm just going to go back into my online store here again. Maybe it is some bug here. I'm just going to check it. Just go back into blogs, default blog. So this one right here, I can actually have, let's just remove this one. Click on select here once again. Let's see if we can actually, my blog here, no, okay. See if we can replace it. We can click on, maybe we can click on create blog. Oh, no, this is not it. Just going to go back, click on customize here once again. This is strange that we cannot add that blog that I just created. I'm just going to see, we should be able to do it. I'm just going to click on remove, click on select here once again. Let's click on news. Okay, this didn't work. So we're going to replace it. Okay, interesting. Okay, I think we have to actually go back into the content here on the blog posts. I'm sorry for this. Oh, okay, it could be because it's actually, sorry, it was hidden before. Maybe that could be the reason, by the way. Blog, my blog, yeah, the best cars create a new blog. Yeah, I think it's going to work now. I apologize for this. Yeah, you have to make it visible, obviously, for it to be able to add it to your blog. So we're going to go back here once again. Let's see, I'm just going to remove it, click on it once again. Oh yeah, here now it works, as you can see, perfect. As you can see, top 3 best cars in 2025. So yeah, as you can see, we're now able to see our first blog in here. And I'm just going to show you a pretty cool thing here again. Let's go back into content here. Click on blog post here once again, and we're going to add a new blog post. Top 3 best vacation places in Europe. I'm just going to write just this one right here, maybe, yeah, whatever. Let's have this one right here. And we're going to also select my blog here, because this is the one that we wanted to add into my, oh, sorry, I think actually I forgot to make this one visible as well. So I'm just going to make sure it's visible. So yeah, we have learned that it's very important to click on visible here, guys, just so you know, otherwise it's not going to work. Just going to click on customize here once again, click on homepage, then click on blogs, click on default blog. Yeah, so you can see now this is shown here as well. So it's very important that you actually mark it's like you actually have to make sure that the blog that you created, that the blog post is going to go into that correct one, which is my blog. But if, for example, if it's news for you, make sure that it's actually selected into news. I hope that makes sense. And then you will be able to see it in here. So when you add new ones, it's going to just pop up in here, which is really, really cool. So now I'm going to show you one final thing, which is really important in my opinion. So if you click on content in here, then click on menus, and then click on main menu as an example here, and then click on add menu item. So we can call this one blog, and we're going to click on link, and then you're going to click on blogs in here. And so I'm going to select my blog, click on save. And then I'm just going to go back into my online store here once again, click on customize. And as you can see, blog is actually shown in your main menu right here, which is cool. So if you click on it, as you can see, you will be able to see your blog post in here. So this is basically exactly how to do this.